and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and tonight we have another soup, very simple with a little bit of a twist. Tonight I'm going to be making red lentil soup with carrots with a little bit of a Caribbean flair. So let's get to the mise en place. We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to onions, the carrots, garlic, and then we're going to go ahead and add the flair, which is a Caribbean style curry. And then I'm going to be adding some Kashmiri mirch, and then the red lentils, which I will rinse just before putting into the saucepan. Veggie broth, some chopped fresh spinach, lemon juice, and then we'll garnish with some chopped parsley. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so of oil to a hot pan. Let this warm up. I'm going to add the onions. And the carrots. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, some pepper, get that stirred in. Now we're going to add the garlic. And we're going to let that cook and saute for about 30 seconds or so. Gotta love the smell of cooking garlic. And down the heat a little bit. Then I'm going to add the Caribbean style curry and the Kashmiri mirch. And we're going to cook this for about 30 seconds to a minute to help the spices bloom. Look at that color. Yummy. Then I'm going to add, these are rinsed lentils. Give them a quick stir. Then I'm going to add the broth. Turn up the heat. I'm going to add a little bit more kosher salt and black pepper. Then what I'm going to do is raise the heat again and bring it to a boil, and then right back down to a simmer. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look at the soup. Very nice. Now I'm going to add the spinach. Get that stirred in. And this will cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, just so it wilts. Okay, and now we will turn the heat completely off, and I'm going to add the lemon juice. And you could use lime juice, if that's what you also have on hand. And we're going to stir the lemon juice in. And here is what the wonderful red lentil soup with carrots looks like out of the saucepan. I'm just going to add just a little garnish of fresh parsley. And that's the final presentation of the red lentil soup with carrots. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. I look forward to partaking on this wonderful red lentil soup with carrots with a Caribbean twist. If you are interested in either the recipe or multiple recipes that I have, or interested in the curry powder, the Caribbean style, you can also purchase that on my website with amongst many other herb and spice blends that I offer. The link to my website is in the description. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.